want to be happy. But what makes a person happy? Is it money or achievements? I don't think so. Many people think that having a lot of money will make them happy. They can live in a nice house, drive a fancy car, and buy whatever they want. But studies show that this does not work. You can fly on your private jet to Hawaii and still feel unhappy. People also think that achievements will make them happy. This might be true sometimes. However, just because a person has a room full of trophies, it doesn't mean that he or she is happy. Equally, having an important job doesn't always promise happiness. Often, working hard to achieve something leaves little free time. Setting reasonable goals and achieving them feels good, but setting big, difficult goals can lead to disappointment. In my opinion, friends and family make people happy. Everyone I know who has close relationships is a happy person. I also think that generous people are usually happy. In my family, we do volunteer projects together. It is surprising how good helping others makes you feel. So, how can we increase our happiness? My advice would be to call a friend or do something nice for someone. Happiness is sure to follow.